empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find someone.
All right, guys, I am coming to you from my car in the parking lot of Goodwill. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of stuff behind me. And if you followed my story in my previous blog about the storage unit, you know that we are decluttering like crazy people. We are doing home improvement projects. We have been so busy this spring break. I have been up every morning at 6:30 in the morning. We have painted our garage. We have put in a retaining wall. We have redone the floor in our master bedroom. We have moved out furniture. We have redone the upstairs bath. It has been insane. And I'm probably missing something that we did on there. Oh, I've been decluttering and cleaning out cabinets and all sorts of stuff. So this is all part of something much bigger than I'm about to share with you, but I'm not sharing it just yet. I want you to post down in the comments below what you think we're up to. Yeah, maybe we just felt like being really productive this spring break. Maybe. That's highly likely, but there's something else going on, and I want you to take a guess at what you think it might be. And it is big, and I'm going to tell you a little bit later here in the vlog, but I just kind of want to hear your guesses. So leave them below, let me know what you think, and I will get into more of what we're up to here later on. All right, so back in my car again, because that's what I'm doing this spring break. I am just running around, but I am actually off to go to Walmart. I need to get some decor for the bathroom. I'm trying to decide like what kind of shower curtain and some mats that I want. I really want to like set it off and make it look beautiful. So we're gonna go see what Walmart has to offer. I went to TJ Maxx yesterday and I just didn't see anything that jumped out at me. So hopefully Walmart's got some cute stuff. If not, then I'll have to go to Target, but I have faith to see what Walmart's got.
Playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
So I just got out of Walmart. I finally found some things. It took me about an hour. I had a hard time making a decision, but I'm hoping the final look comes together nicely. That's what I'm hoping for. We'll see how it works. If not, I guess I can return everything, but I'm hopeful. I'm kind of going for a boho like spa vibe. So we'll see if it works. Here's our before. Here's all my bags in the sink. Here's our tub. Here's our new shower. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that bottom right there. That shower floor is gorgeous. Toilet. And closet. All right, so here's the after. I just got this little basket and put some washcloths in it and this little plants just to kind of add the spa feel. And then I found these little soap dishes I thought were real cute, and these towels kind of have a whole spa vibe. Then I got these gray rugs because I felt like they would go the best. Then we have the same towel over here for the bathtub. And then I left the shower curtain open because the shower is just beautiful. So that's why I wanted to leave the shower curtain open. But if you close it, it's just this right here. It's kind of like a boho vibe with just the gray rugs right here. So that's the bathroom. Good morning. So it is Friday, which means that it is the last day of spring break. Well, I mean, we have Saturday and Sunday, but it is my last day off. That also means it's going to be a very busy day. And to top it off, my allergies are driving me insane. Like, my eyes are all puffy and I woke up with a headache and I don't need this. I don't know. I'm hoping if I go take some of my allergy medicine and maybe drink some caffeine or something, I'll feel a little bit better. So I'm gonna give that a try and see if I can go ahead and get productive. I don't really know if I'm gonna be cute today, but we'll see. I might try that because sometimes I think when you get dressed and you get ready and you do all that stuff, like it puts you in the mindset to do work. So I think I probably will sort of get ready. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. Kitty, kitty.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh.
So I decided to put on a little bit of eye makeup because I felt like if I got myself ready a little bit that I might be more productive and maybe feel better, because I just kind of feel really gross right now. And I got myself my caffeine. Hopefully this helps. I like these Atkins protein shakes. They're pretty good. And they have energy, so that's what you need. Energy today. I'm still sitting in bed watching YouTube videos, hoping that this kicks in and works, because got lots to do today. Massive trips to the storage unit again. So I will keep you updated, I guess, if you care about the storage unit. There's really nothing new other than I have to put stuff in it. But I might show you it now so you can see, since you couldn't see last time. All right, so I am actually at Lowe's. We headed over here to go ahead and we're changing out the fixtures in our bathroom. The new fixtures were all chrome, so we're changing everything out that was the bronze to the chrome. So I need to go find some light fixtures. I'm also going to get some boxes to pack up some more stuff and take it over to the storage unit, just to kind of clear out some of the stuff that we aren't currently using, declutter, have a little bit more zen. So I'm taking you along with me, see what I can find. Hopefully they have some good stuff in here.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
So I'm back. I got the stuff that I needed. Don't mind the AC in the background because it is hot. I don't know what is going on with my hair here. Anyway, oh well. I still have a major headache. Okay, this is really irritating. I'm gonna have to fix this. Hold on. All right, we're back. The bump is gone and now I feel a little bit better, but I still have a really bad headache. I just finished drinking a Gatorade Zero, thinking maybe I'm just not hydrated. I took Tylenol. I don't know what's going on with my headache. Just loosen the ponytail. It's not too high, so I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hopefully it goes away soon. There you go. Helping me out. Moving stuff into the storage unit.
Definitely not child labor.
It's not child labor. Half of this your stuff, dude.
I know.
Seriously, child labor.
A joke.
Uh-huh. Here, Troy, you need help.
Hey, stuff.
There she is. There's our storage unit.
Pathetic.
All right, let's go unload some boxes. Come on, come on. Mush, mush. Child labor. Excited, guys. It's leftover sushi for lunch. We can't handle it. Oh my gosh, so good. Is that good enough, Jillian? Was that YouTubey enough, Jillian?
Wait, what?
And this is what the kids are eating. Lunch of champions. Can't live without some chicken patties. They thought they were away from school and on spring break, but we're bringing them back. And this is what you have to make when you have pre-teens at home, because all they do is freaking eat over spring break. So here's the before. Goodbye, blackboard wall. Let's do this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
go. So you ever get in a zone and just forget that you're doing something? Yeah, I totally forgot to vlog, but so far I have it all painted, so I'll show you. So now to wait for it to dry, and then I'll show you the finished product of what we're doing with this room. Happy Sunday! It is the last day of spring break, so I am very sad, big tears. I'm not ready for it to end, but I do feel that we got a lot done today, which is a good thing, because I feel like when I accomplish a lot, I feel better when I go back to school, because I feel like the things at home were taken care of. But I am extremely tired. I did do online church today because I could not get myself out of bed. Like, the alarms just kept going and the body just was not moving. I have a little bit left to do today, not a ton. I'm just going to try to wrap some things up, make sure that everybody's got clean clothes and everything for tomorrow, and just try to take it easy. Look at that bird. He's absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I love my backyard. I'm not going to lie. And here is the after of Troy's room.
This is scripted.
Troy, stop. So we added an armoire over here in his room. So we have an extra place to put clothes for the week. And an extra place to put shoes. We moved his bed around. Your lamp is crooked. And that is it. So what do you think of your new room, Troy?
I can dab on the haters and do cringy Fortnite dances.
Okay. What do you really think of your room? Let's try this again. Do you like it?
Yes.
All right. Awesome. So
I did that out.
there we go. Hey guys, so I'm finally going to tell you why we've been doing all this work. As many of you may know, my husband is in the United States Navy, and we just got word, well, we got word back a few months ago, but I've been hoping, crossing my fingers, that things would change. We got word that we are moving, which has been very devastating for me. I really like living on the Gulf Coast. I really love my school and my friends, and my kids are pretty happy here too. So it was definitely not what we wanted, but it's military life, so that is what we're going to be doing. We are moving. We got orders to Jacksonville, Florida, and we will be leaving this summer. So we've been working really hard to do little things to our home to fix it up. The Jacksonville home market is extremely competitive, so we need to make as much money as we can here in Mississippi to be able to have the funds that we need to be able to get the kind of home and live in the kind of neighborhood that we want to for our family. So it has been very busy. Not your typical relaxing spring break as I would have liked, but it was very productive and we got a lot done. I have definitely cried a lot of tears over this. We actually found out over Thanksgiving break when my husband was deployed that we would be leaving, and I have been doing a lot of being in denial. But we're ready to move forward now. I'm starting to get much more excited about Jacksonville and whatever opportunities that'll have for me. I'm putting a lot of positive vibes out into the universe. This will be a great opportunity for my family, for myself, and for my teaching career. I really think that there are some things there that I can learn a lot from. It is a bigger district. If you're watching this and you're from the Jacksonville area, I would love any suggestions or pointers on any good school districts. We are looking at Clay County, but we haven't decided for sure. And we do have a realtor we've been talking to. We have gone and visited, and there are a lot of things to love. So I think it will be a really good experience. So I'm going to probably be taking you along on my job finding journey. I really hate looking for teaching jobs. I don't know if it's all just the teaching profession. Well, I think it is, because I had been in another career before as a teacher. We have the longest applications in the world, and I really hate filling those out. But we're going to be doing that, and I'll probably be doing a lot of remote interviews. I don't know. It's going to be an adventure, so I plan on taking you along, and you'll see in my next few videos how I prepare for that, if that's something you're interested in. So once again, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it was a little bit everywhere. I knew I needed to go ahead and stop at some point because we could have gone on for days, and I know y'all don't want to watch me work on my house. If you do, let me know. I'll make more, but thank you once again for coming, and as always, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps grow my channel, and I really love that. I'm putting this out there for the world, so please share my journey. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.